Germany makes huge anti-China move. Germany's Defense Minister Annegret Kramp has announced that one of the country's warships will patrol the Indian Ocean as part of plans to manage China's influence there. The German defense minister said the Indo-Pacific had become crucial to the world's well-being. We will be spending more on defense in 2021 than in 2020 despite the fact that the COVID-19 pandemic has hit our budgets. Now the key is to translate this into real muscle. I am convinced territorial disputes, violations of international law and China's ambitions for global supremacy can only be approached multilaterally. In an exclusive interview with the Sydney Morning Herald, she said, "We believe that Germany needs to mark its position in the region. China is an important trading partner for Germany. And we have strong economic ties which are in the interest of both sides, but at the same time, we do not turn a blind eye on unequal investment conditions, aggressive appropriation of intellectual property, state-subsidized distortion of competition, or attempts to exert influence by means of loans and investments." She also said that Europe had become increasingly aware of China's economic agenda and geopolitical tactics in the past year. German officers are expected to be deployed with the Australian Navy, and a German frigate will patrol the Indian Ocean under Berlin's plan to manage China's influence in the Indo-Pacific region. The development comes at a time when India's Foreign Secretary Harsh Shringla held talks in Berlin on Monday to boost cooperation in areas ranging from post-pandemic recovery to the Indo-Pacific, and with China being increasingly encircled. The Indian Navy has also significantly increased its deployment in the Indian Ocean region in an attempt to send a message to China in the wake of tension between the two countries over the border standoff in eastern Ladakh. Meanwhile, India and Germany have begun high-level talks amid the COVID-19 pandemic. On November 2, Foreign Secretary Harsh Vardhan Shringla met German Foreign Minister of State Niels Annan and held a productive exchange on shared priorities, including strengthening of multilateral structures. Shringla arrived in Berlin from France on the second leg of his three-nation European tour that also includes the UK. His visit to these countries is part of India's continuing diplomatic engagement despite limitations posed by the coronavirus pandemic.
For more and daily news updates, subscribe to our channel. Stay home and stay safe.